Now that we have the soup going in the Instant Pot, which you cannot see over here, we are gonna move on to the muffins. I'm just gonna go through all the ingredients that I have that will go into these muffins. We have eggs separated out, so we have yolks and the whites. I have baking powder, salt, vanilla, ground flaxseed, and then I'm supposed to use hemp seed, but I don't have that, so I'm using chia seed, coconut oil, and then we have maple syrup. Be careful when you're buying maple syrup that you're getting whole, just maple syrup, because a lot of times they have processed ingredients in the regular syrup that you would find at the store. We have almond flour, coconut flour, shredded zucchini, and shredded carrot. So what we're first going to do is mix together some of the wet ingredients. So I'm going to take the egg yolks, get those in, the maple syrup, the melted coconut oil, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract as well. All right, and then we're gonna mix that together. After mixing that, we are going to add our dry ingredients. So I have a cup of almond flour, a fourth of a cup of coconut flour, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and a tablespoon each of the ground flax meal and the chia seeds. And we're gonna mix that. Next, we're going to add 1 grated zucchini and 1 grated carrot. So I'm just gonna mix this all together. It says if it's too dry, you can add a little water, and if it's too wet, add a little bit of coconut flour. Just be careful, because coconut flour goes a long way. It will start to expand. Right now, I feel like this is an okay consistency, so I'm just gonna stick with it right there. The next thing we have to do is the egg whites, and we have to do these until they are peaking. I put the batter into a bigger bowl just because we're gonna fold in the egg whites. And I did actually end up adding just a tiny bit of water because before the batter was a little bit dry. So here's what we got. And I'm gonna slowly just fold the egg yolk into the batter. Now I'm just gonna scoop it into the muffin tin, and you can also use a muffin, or you can also use a loaf pan, so that might be something I try next time. The oven has been preheating at 350, and then we'll throw them in.